Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most unique and charming campers of 2025. This pedal-powered tricycle camper that brings serious tiny living vibes and countryside nostalgia. At first glance, it looks like a vintage caravan shrunk down and fused with a cargo trike. And that's exactly what makes it so special. With its white and pastel blue exterior, tiny windows with curtains and cozy, compact shape, it's basically a little cottage on wheels. This camper is fully human-powered, designed for low-impact travel and ultra-slow exploration. Whether you're cruising through parks, taking the scenic route by a lake, or camping in a peaceful meadow, this rig is made for quiet adventure. Inside, you'll find just enough space for a solo traveler. There's a sleeping area, storage for essentials, and a few clever nooks to keep things organized. The interior is minimalist and warm, giving you just what you need and nothing you don't. It's incredibly lightweight, and with the added electric assist, pedaling even with a full load is manageable. The top speed isn't going to win races, but that's not the point. It's about unplugging, slowing down, and truly enjoying the ride. Let's break it down what we love. Super eco-friendly, no fuel required, quiet, peaceful travel. Adorable and photogenic, perfect for Instagram-worthy trips. Ideal for off-grid camping in parks and flat terrain. A few limitations. Limited weather protection, better for fair weather journeys, best for short distances, and flat terrain. Not much room for gear or another person. So, is this trike camper practical? It depends on your lifestyle. But is it delightful, simple, and charming? Absolutely. It's less about the destination and more about the joy of the journey. Would you ride across the countryside in this? Let us know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more creative camper content.